Encountering the Oculus Core Services keep stopping error is frustrating, especially on an older Quest. This is a common issue often caused by a software glitch or a recent update conflict. Here are the most effective fixes for 2025, starting with the simplest. First, the quick restart. This is the fastest and most common fix for temporary glitches. Simply restart your headset, hold down the power button on the side of your headset until you see the power off menu. If a normal restart doesn't work, try a forced restart by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Fix 2. Update your headset and apps. An outdated system or app version is a frequent cause of this error. Make sure your headset's operating system and all your installed apps are up to date. On your headset, go to your Settings menu. Navigate to System, Software Update. Your headset will check for and install any available updates. While in Settings, go to Apps to check for any pending app updates as well. Fix 3. Clear cache and app data. Corrupted cache files can lead to services stopping. You can clear the cache for your apps from the phone app. On your phone, open the MetaQuest app, go to Menu, Devices, select the headset you are using. From here, you can find a list of your apps and clear their cache. Fix 4. Factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset is the most reliable way to fix deep-seated software issues. Just a warning, this will erase all games, apps, and data from your headset. You'll need to reinstall everything afterward. You have two options. First, using the MetaQuest app. Open the MetaQuest app on your phone, go to the menu, then Devices. Tap on your headset, then select Advanced Settings. You'll see there the factory reset and click Confirm. For option 2, using the headset buttons. Turn off your headset, press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously until the boot menu appears. Using the volume buttons to navigate, select Factory Reset, and then press the power button to confirm.